Frustrated by the Libmmd.dll error causing your professional tools to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Ensure your Libmmd environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This DLL file is the Intel Math library for Windows. It provides highly optimized mathematical functions that leverage advanced CPU instruction sets to accelerate calculations in engineering and financial software. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The Libmmd.dll is a third-party application file associated with Intel CPU library. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of Intel CPU library will restore the correct version of this file. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the libmmd component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for the libmmd.dll, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on the libmmd. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve the libmmd dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.